what a pleasantly surprising season of schoolboy football it's been. We've seen some good individual players and some well-organized teams, especially at the back end of the season. Of course, because of the pandemic, quite a few things have been different this season, including a Christmas break, which resulted in all the major finals being played in January. And this is where I want to go, because for the longest while, the narrative was that schoolboy football season was always clustered up between September and December. The notion was that the season had to conclude in December because it would interfere with the academic curriculum and the Easter term is track and field term and blah, blah, blah. So Manning Cup and D Cup could not spill over into January. But lo and behold, this season has proven that schoolboy football can indeed be played in January and with great effect and success. So knowing what we know now, going forward, ISA can now consider expanding schoolboy football into the new year and beyond in order to enhance and develop the product as needs be. Brilliant, 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 man.